Okay, so here we have, welcome to another review. Today we have set 4433, the Lego City Dirt Bike Transporter. Here's the top of the box. I got this set $30 at Big W. Here's the back of the box. And onto the actual set, you get 2 numbered bags. We get 1 instruction book for Land Rover, and another instruction book for the trailer. Here's the 2 minifigures. So that's pretty cool. And onto the actual Land Rover. This is the third time I tried to record this. It just hasn't been working because everyone's been yelling and screaming and stuff. So here we have 1 chair in there to fit 1 minifigure. In the back, we got space to fit another minifigure. A spare wheel on top for the motorbike, so not for the car. You got a ballpoint joint. Here's the trailer. Now notice how small the wheels are. They're actually smaller than even the motorbike wheels. Okay. Here's our first motorbike. This is a, if you know your motorbikes, this is our KTM motorbike. Orange, got the number 8. So I really like that motorbike. Then we have another motorbike. This is our green motorbike, number 6. It's a Kowalski or something, I don't know. It's green though. Nice motorbike. That is. Okay, let's push that back on and you get 2 helmets. 2 fuel bottles. We also get 4 drawers with at least 1 tool in each of them. So we get drill, screwdriver, hammer, basically that sort of stuff. Okay, then we also get flag. So I'll open the drawers now for you. There's 1 drawer, it's got a drill. Here's another drawer, it's got wrenchy kind of thing. I don't know what it's called. Here's our third drawer. This is the only one with 2 tools. It's got a screwdriver and a hammer. And our final drawer has. Okay, so what I'm going to actually do now is I'm going to actually compare this set to just join them. I compare this set to the horse trailer farm set. Okay, so here's them together. Here's them the front. And here's them from the back. So now we're just going to compare the 2 Land Rovers. Okay, so you've seen that one. Here's the other one. It's nice. See, it's missing a few pieces because it is old. Here's them sitting next to each other. Come back. Now, there's 1, or actually 2 major differences. The first one is, look in the front. They've each only got room for 1. Dirt bike one has space, gives me for more space. This one gives me for less space. The dirt bike one is very much finished than this one. And another major difference, if we look on the back, this one opens up, this one doesn't. But there is space to fit another minifigure in the back of both of them. Okay, so here we'll compare our two trailers. Now, obviously there's a major difference that one's a horse float and one's a dirt bike trailer. That we're not counting that difference. But look at the two wheels. These ones are tiny, these ones are huge. You'd think that this one would have the same wheels as this one, considering this is more four-wheel drivey-ish. So, that's what I think. If you agree with me, say so in the comments that these wheels should be bigger, if you agree. So, thank you for watching another Lego review, and next time, hopefully we'll have another booster pack. If not, then if we don't have a booster pack next time, then we will be reviewing this one. Only if we don't have a Ninjago booster pack or spinner. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.